Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial for beginners on Pippit AI. Now this is an AI content tool made by the team behind CapCut. So if you ever use CapCut on your phone, this is from the same company. This is built from a different job, okay? So instead of editing raw footage, this is going to take you the product link or photo or script, and it's going to generate a finished marketing video for you automatically without any filming, without any editing timeline, nor experience required. Okay, so let's build one together and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on start for free. Okay, that's going to give us access to the free plan. Before you touch anything, one honest thing about the free plan so you're not surprised later. Every video you export on it is going to carry a small watermark and you're going to get like a limited number of credits refreshed weekly rather than unlimited generations. But that's gonna be completely fine if you're just learning and trying your first videos. Just know that the free tier is a trial experience. So guys, one of the easiest things you can do in this software is just to paste like a product link, and this is gonna do the rest, okay? So if you don't have like a product link, you can also start from an uploaded photo or like a written script, but the link method is gonna be the fastest way to see what this tool actually does. So that's what we're gonna use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna have a Shopify link for like a massage gun, and I'm just gonna paste the link in here, and I'm gonna ask the AI to create this for me. So I'm gonna say, create a video ad for this gun. Okay, and I'm just gonna paste the link. And then you can basically select like a lot of different settings, such as you can add a link, well, which I did already. But you can also upload like reference images or different things like that, okay? And even a reference video. Now, because I specified that I want to create a video, we're going to focus on the video models here, but you can do the same with any other image. Okay, so you're going to have a plethora of different video models that you can use, but mostly they're going to be like sedans, okay? The typical ones, which are going to be like fast and reliable. On the free plan, you're only going to be able to use Dramina Sedans 1.0, so that's what you're gonna peep. Okay, but you can also select the aspect ratio and the specific resolution you want. If you want it to be vertical, horizontal, and things like that. So let's start creating. So as you can see, what this is going to do is that this is going to use specific skill built into the software to analyze the link and to extract as much information as possible to generate the best video it can. Okay, so this has like a lot of context already, and it's not just going blind and just grabbing like the image, but it's actually trying to do everything at once. Even for the simplest model, which is CDN 1.0, this can take up to 5 minutes, okay? So do not stress about it because this is very complex. We're just giving this a link and we're asking for full video ads, so it's obviously quite complex. Okay, so as you can see, it finally created the video. This took about 10 minutes actually because it was very complex videos. You're gonna be able to see now. And it's 13 seconds long and the quality is very good. I'm gonna play it for you. It actually has some audio, like, from a lady speaking, and it's great, but I'm not gonna play it because of the copyright issues. But look, it looks fantastic, and the audio, I can tell you, is very good as well. So if you actually like this, what you can do is you can directly download it as it is. But if you want to edit it further, you can click on Edit More, and that's gonna open like a window where you're gonna be able to edit it inside of the own software. And this is great because this works like any other editing software, and you can basically do things like scaling, opacity, blending modes, and things like that. Even the color adjustment, guys. So for example, if I go here, as you can see, it's gonna increase the saturation or decrease it. So it's fantastic. And not only that, but you have even a caption section that you can easily change. Okay, and this is gonna give you the whole transcript, as you can see. If you want to generate the captions on top of the video, just click on here, click on generate, and you're gonna have them ready. And if you're not happy with any section of the video, what you can do is you can click on it, okay, and you can substitute it by an image or a video. So overall, the editor is really good. And guys, remember that you have multiple tracks in this track line. You have the voice, the audio, the image or video, and you have the captions, right? So by clicking on any of them, you can easily change them. So if you don't like this music or you think it's gonna give you some copyright issues, you can just mute it Okay, or you can just change it altogether. And you can change it by going to audio and selecting an appropriate piece of music that you like. Okay, so once we're ready to publish, just click on export. And now you're gonna have two different options. You can either download the video, okay, to your personal computer and then upload it. But a lot of you are gonna find this useful, and it's the fact that you can publish directly to TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, okay, just by clicking on publish and connecting to your account. But I mean, that's pretty much it for the tutorial, okay, so we saw how to create like a full video starting from a product link, which is great. And you can literally do the same just with an image, and it's gonna take you even less time, okay? If you're in need of looking for some inspiration, you can always check this feature or section, okay? And that's gonna give you certain ideas on what to do. Bye guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.